Hey guys, my name is Aditya. I'm gonna be unboxing the Google Home Mini today. Got a nice touch. The thingy is coming off, so I just wanted to see like if the thingy is in there. The Google Home is in there. So I've never used it actually, except for like using it with my friends like a little bit. We messed around with it, and I've not used it on like light bulbs a lot because I just wanted to check. And then I skipped in and just saw like this to me, you guys. I don't know if you guys have seen Google Homecast, but Google Home. So, oh wow, this is really cool. It has kind of fiber key on top. That's the on and off. Okay, kind of cool as well. What's that? So it has this. It has a mute and a mute button. It has. If you guys know Alexa, you have to plug it in all the time. It has a reset button there. Over there. You guys can't see it, but there is a reset button. And then there is the logo of Google. Pretty nice. This is the main part of it. So sit over here. I'm gonna go back a little bit. You guys can see I'm just gonna do this. There. I'm gonna take out everything. The base. Put that away. Okay, the charger. Hey, oh god. Like, tied up. Oh god, it's stuck right now. Oh god, it's stuck. Okay, I think it's stuck. Okay, it's not. Okay, these are the wires, these are things. So it's gonna get it out. I'm gonna just take that. Okay, take it out. There. Okay, now you wanna. Oh, it's just some paper. So put that away. I'm just gonna put everything together. Here are the papers over here. The charger. There. So these are the things over here. I can see that came in the box. That's cool. Yes, you can like carry it around because it has this. So, can I take it out? Can I even take it out? No, I can't. So, whoa, who even does that? Can I push it out? Okay, it's stuck in there. I can't take it out. So you can like carry it around if you like. You can like pack it up, and then it looks like kind of a gift box to me. If you like close these up and then just paint it, looks like a gift box. So these are the things. One is the advantage, like my socket. Dad, turn the volume down. Okay, my father's just turn around. It has like this, so it's a little problem. What, mom? Oh god. Okay, no, don't do that. No, don't do that. You don't even dare to do it. My mom. Okay, so look at this. That thing is like this. I have to insert it like that. So mine is this. It's just steep. So I have to plug it in this. Let it go. Okay, it did go in. I can't just break it. It didn't break it. Okay, no. You have to like read up stuff. Because I have used it in like not in like those important purposes. I know it can like, it is like the same thing on the phone, but it can do more than that actually. You can even control your Spotify, blah blah blah. I don't know. So I'm just gonna plug it in first. I haven't plugged in the Google Home yet, so how far can this go? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, fine. This is how far it can go right now. So I'm gonna pull that over here. Oh, I thought it was dead for a second. There. there it is on. I'm gonna read this. How do I do it? Oh yeah, you need an app for this. Google Home app. It's not like there. You're gonna hear something really cool on this, so I'm just gonna be quiet. That was cool. I just turn the volume. Okay, Google, put the volume to 10. It's full now. The app. Okay, I don't need that, so toss that away. Need this there, and that. Okay, there. Fancy. PC. I'm gonna read that last. Okay, this is the book. Oh, get to know your Google Home Mini. Okay. Living room, blah blah blah. No, I'm not gonna read this. Go over there. Go. One thing that I love about this, you can play Netflix, but Netflix takes money, so you know that guy, like, he drew a tattoo. If you guys don't know, he drew a tattoo and like send it to Netflix. I have to do that. I paid for to get it for like even 1 week free. So be safe. This is the last one. I don't need to be safe. Okay, blah 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 blah. Be sure power blah 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 blah. New start a page now. That's it. Okay. Okay, I'm not reading it. That's just stinks. That just stinks. Not reading it. So we're gonna use it right now a little bit. Okay, Google. What is the time?
12:32.
Okay. I'm posting another video on this, so it's gonna be like using Google Home. So much more better than this one, because it's just gonna be a review and blah 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 blah. Okay, Google. How old are you?
I just launched recently, so I'm pretty young.
Yo, you're young. I'm young. I'm 10. Whoa. Okay, Google. What sound did you make?
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that yet, but my team's helping me learn.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Google. Can you do the dishes for me?
I'm better at dishing up the knowledge.
No. I have to do the dishes by myself now. Hate you, Google. Okay, Google. How far is New Jersey from Indonesia?
New Jersey is 15,558 kilometers from Indonesia as the crow flies.
Okay. So if you guys like this video, do this. Click on the button. If you're new, subscribe and click that little bell. Ding. You did it? Okay. You're the best. Comment and share the video to like those people who like need to see how, because they're gonna buy and then you need to see like how good is it or blah 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 and more stuff. So bye guys. Peace.